Crash course on United Kingdom, UK, historical landmarks and architecture. Welcome to a crash course on the United Kingdom, UK, a land brimming with historical landmarks and architectural marvels that tell the stories of its rich heritage. From ancient castles to majestic cathedrals, the UK is a treasure trove of historical and architectural wonders. The UK is renowned for its fascinating history, and its landmarks stand as testaments to the events and people who shaped the nation. Let's delve into some interesting stories and examples that will ignite your excitement. 1. Tower of London. This iconic fortress has a history spanning over 900 years. It has served as a royal palace, a prison, and even a treasury. Legends of royal intrigue, such as the tale of the princes in the tower, have captured the imagination of visitors. 2. Stonehenge. A prehistoric marvel, Stonehenge is an enigmatic stone circle dating back thousands of years. Its purpose and construction continue to fascinate scholars and visitors alike, sparking speculation and awe. 3. Edinburgh Castle. Perched atop a volcanic rock, Edinburgh Castle has witnessed centuries of Scottish history. From the Stone of Destiny to the honours of Scotland, the castle holds treasures and stories that echo through time. 4. Baths. Roman baths. These well-preserved ancient baths provide a glimpse into Roman life in Britain. The intricate architecture and thermal springs create an atmosphere of tranquility and fascination. Now, let's explore the top 12 historical landmarks and architectural marvels in the United Kingdom. 1. Tower of London, England. 2. Stonehenge, England. 3. Edinburgh Castle, Scotland. 4. Buckingham Palace, England. 5. Westminster Abbey, England. 6. St. Paul's Cathedral, England. 7. Windsor Castle, England. 8. Baths. Roman baths, England. 9. York Minster, England. 10. Carnarvon Castle, Wales. 11. Blenheim Palace, England. 12. Giant's Causeway, Northern Ireland. These remarkable attractions offer a glimpse into the UK's rich history and architectural prowess. From the grandeur of Buckingham Palace to the spiritual aura of Westminster Abbey, each landmark carries its own allure and significance. In summary, the United Kingdom is a land of historical treasures and architectural splendors. Its landmarks tell tales of ancient civilizations, royal legacies, and remarkable craftsmanship. Immerse yourself in the captivating history and awe-inspiring architecture that awaits in the UK. *****, start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html $8=7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here. And now, let's celebrate the historical landmarks and architectural wonders of the United Kingdom with a poem. In the United Kingdom, where history resides, stand grand monuments, our heritage's pride. Tower of London, a fortress of might. Whispers of secrets in shadows of the night. Stonehenge's stones, an ancient enigma. Bathing in mysteries, a timeless stigma. Edinburgh Castle, atop the rocky crest. Legends and tales, its walls have caressed. Buckingham Palace, regal and grand. A symbol of royalty, an icon of the land. Westminster Abbey, where history's told. Echoes of the past, in its hallowed fold. St. Paul's Cathedral, reaching for the skies. A beacon of faith, where solace lies. Windsor Castle, a majestic retreat. Royal stories woven in every street. Baths. Roman baths, an ancient retreat, where history and serenity meet. York Minster's spires, piercing the air, a testament to craftsmanship, beyond compare. Carnarvon Castle, Wales' proud tower, strength and beauty in each stone and bower. Blenheim Palace, a masterpiece renowned, elegance and splendour, forever crowned. Giant's Causeway, a natural wonder, basalt columns, a sight to ponder. The United Kingdom, a tapestry of lore, where history and architecture forever soar. Start planning your next global adventure with ease and convenience with our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?aid = 7989335. It is a great choice to plan your next trip. You can find and book flights, hotels, cars, and local attractions all in one place, and their price match guarantee ensures you're getting the best deal. Thank you for your kind support of our Anhub Metaverse channel, and please subscribe and watch more interesting videos here.